At One Toed Photography, we capture the essence of your brand with striking commercial photography and dynamic videography. Images that don't just look good, but drive attention and tell your story. From rooftops to job sites, we document construction projects with precision, showcasing progress and craftsmanship from every angle. On your wedding day, we preserve every moment, intimate, joyful, unforgettable, so your memories live beautifully forever. And when the music takes the field, our aerial videography reveals the artistry of marching band formations from above, letting directors, performers, and audiences alike see the patterns that they create in motion. From halftime shows to championship rehearsals, we capture the rhythm, precision, and pride that define every step and every beat. We specialize in construction videography for places that are hardest to see using drones and advanced equipment. We provide safe, detailed views of rooftops, towers, and tight spaces, delivering clarity without risk. Our footage helps builders, inspectors, and clients understand progress and challenges in real time, whether it's monitoring structural integrity, documenting safety compliance, or revealing hidden details that traditional inspections miss. Our perspective ensures nothing is overlooked. By bringing the inaccessible into clear view, we empower teams to make smarter decisions and keep projects moving forward with confidence. Finally, we empower small businesses with professional videography that highlights projects, services, and the people behind them, helping local entrepreneurs stand out and connect with their community.